Hello children. Now earlier I taught you to write letter O, letter A, letter D, letter G, letter Q, letter C, letter J, letter E, and now I am going to teach you how to write letter H. Here, starting from here, H, coming down and going up and again coming down. Trace the letter first and then you can write alone. Here, this is how you must write letter H. Here, H. Trace the letter first and make sure that you are writing letter H alone. Right? I can write alone H here. Here we are starting here H. Tracing it and here the dotted H. Here H. Here another one here. I will take another color. Letter H. This is how to write letter H. Now here. Now I am sure that I can write H alone. Now I am going to write lone H. Here H. Okay. Now here another one. Here another dot there. Writing here H. Okay. This is letter H. H for house. H for house. H for house. Thank you, children.